twin cam 16 valve Toyota Corolla 1985 model. Look at that. Very expensive car here in UK. Export imported car 1985 model. I see in the filling station. Hello, good morning, good morning. Maulan na umaga ngayon, May 26 yata ngayon. Ito naman yung ating car. Gusto dito yung mga ganun sasakyan. Mas sikat kaysa sa normal car na ganito. Nasa Mercedes tayo. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.